morning. Welcome to Outdoors with John. Today, Norm and I are going to take a hike in Old Furnace State Park. It's a great loop that involves Ross Pond and the cliffs here. And we'll take you along a journey with us. Alright, so we're heading south out of the parking lot and we're taking the red trail. I find boardwalks kind of interesting. I don't know why, maybe because it's like a bridge. We come into Old Furnace Pond and there's a dam here. Look across the pond, we can see the cliffs above the pond there. When we get back, as we go around this loop in a counterclockwise direction, we will eventually be sitting on top of those cliffs, checking out the view from up there. Okay, we are now at the lower Ross Pond. And you can see the cliffs up there, Ross Cliff. This is where, this area over here is where between the two ponds is where the old furnace was located back in the day. This pond is formed by the dam, which we just saw, and the dam is down that end of the pond over there. As we said, we're on the red or yellow trail. We're going to be looping around and eventually coming up on the blue trail, which will be on top of those cliffs here. And earlier we saw somebody up there, to give you a size perspective, but I don't see them up there anymore. Maybe a couple hundred feet of elevation up there. And we're looking at the boat ramp here at Upper Ross Pond. Slightly bigger and easier to get a boat into. We're going to be going around this pond next, and out in the distance you can see is Route, I think it's Route 6. Getting close to the south end of Ross Pond and the highway, which is about the midpoint of our hike. You can see it's May 10th, and that's a Saturday before Mother's Day, and we're actually starting to get some leaves out, and signs of spring are here. We've had a lot of rain, so there should be plenty of water around. That's what we're seeing right now. And later in the season, some of these small streams will be nothing but a trickle or mud. Looking back towards the boat launch over there. It's not a very big pond. Okay, we're now walking on the west side of Ross Pond along the edge of the water. This is an unmarked trail, but it should take us back to the blue trail. So we're back on the blue trail here, and we're coming by this massive cliff. It probably won't be long before it's hidden by all the leaves. You can see how blue the sky is and how green the leaves are around here. They're just coming out, so they have that extra green look to them, the lime color. Awesome day to be out here. It's probably in the mid-60s. Oh, it's like a hawk or something. It's beautiful. So we're currently on top of the cliff above Lower Ross Pond. In the direction I'm looking, you may be able to see the dam we were standing on earlier on the hike. So we started in the direction of the camera in the north end of the park and walked around Lower Ross Pond here along the opposite side of the water, and then just out of view on the corner on the other side of this hill is Ross Pond. We walked around that and we came up the back side of this hill, which is called Half Hill. Because of its view, we strategically picked this location to have a little bit of a snack and some water. The rest of the hike for us is going to be down the hill here on the left-hand side of the pond, following mostly the blue trail, and it will drop us out on the far side of this pond where our car is parked. We were looking at Elephant Rock. I don't know. I just made that up, but somebody put painted an elephant on the rock, so why not call this Elephant Rock? That's a long ways down. Straight down. Alright, and that wraps up our hike for today. 3.5 miles here at Old Furnace State Park. Some great views. Always a great hike. It was awesome that the leaves are just coming out, so we got that really vibrant green color today. My buddy Norm, thanks to Norm for hiking with me, and we'll see you guys out here on the next hike. Thanks for coming along.